nandito ngayon. Of course, welcome to the pre-show of the first ever Filipino Music Awards. And before we start the evening's festivities, it is never complete for us Filipinos to complete, of course, our celebration with flavorful dinner. I hope everyone is enjoying the meals that we have for you guys. Yes, hello everyone. Okay, grabe. Thank you so much to KFC for our finger-licking good food for dinner for our artists na nandito ngayon and our VIPs. Thank you guys so much. And of course, ito, syempre, sa mga pre-shows natin, guys, meron po tayong pa-game para sa ating lahat. Ito, to kick off this pre-show segment, it's time for the KFC finger-licking cam. And do not worry because this activity is very straightforward. Parang siyang kiss cam, pero syempre with your favorite KFC dish. O, diba? Okay, so all you guys have to do, once the camera pans to you, you guys need to pose, kiss, or take a bite from your KFC chicken bucket that was handed to you, okay? So take a good bite from it and show us your best finger-licking pose in 3, 2, 1. Let's look for our camera. Okay, sino ba ang iaano natin dito sa finger-licking cam natin? Okay, let's check. We have our cameras roving around the Mall of Asia Arena. Who are we eyeing right here, right now? Okay, tingnan natin. Sino ba ang masusolo natin for tonight? Again, we would like to thank everyone for joining us for the first ever Filipino Music Awards here at the Mall of Asia Arena. This is our finger-licking good cam pose with our favorite chicken. Ayan. Oh, yes. Okay. We have our bucket of KFC chicken right there. Thank you guys so much. Okay, do we have any more that we'd like to showcase? We have, of course, our supporters here of OPM. Pero sa mga artists kaya natin, pwede kaya ipakita sila na kumakain. Well, their favorite chicken from KFC. Thank you so much for, again, being our official meal partner or dinner partner for our FMAs. Okay, let's check out again here in our finger-licking good camera one last time. Ooh. Okay, pose with a chicken. Okay, kiss naman dyan. Isang kiss naman dyan. Yan. I love it. So sweet. Okay, next. Sino ang next natin for our finger-licking good cam? Let's check. Okay, our camera is now roving around the Mall of Asia Arena. There you go. Yes, hinahanap lang niya kung sino ba ang magiging lucky one dito sa finger-licking good camera natin. Wala siya napili, o diba? Okay, one more. Let's check. Ooh. I love all of our banners from our supporters that are here right now. Thank you guys so much. Okay, sino ba? May ipapakita ba ang ating finger-licking good camera? All you have to do is pose with our KFC bucket. There we go. You have been chosen. Come and pose for our KFC finger-licking good cam. Thank you so much, KFC, for being our official meal partner for our FMAs 2025, the first ever Filipino Music Awards. So, diba? Okay. We have our drumsticks up and our buckets up. And of course, that is a wrap for our finger-licking cam brought to us by KFC. And of course, I want to hear one more time from everyone here at the Mall of Asia Arena. Can I hear you guys make some noise for OPM? Guys, kulang yung energy natin. Isa pa, kailangan ko ng isang malaking hiyawan galing from everyone here at MOA. Can I hear everyone make some noise? Yes, everyone, thank you guys so much for your energy. Let us keep the energy up because this is OPM's biggest night where we award the best and brightest to set the standard in celebrating Filipino talent. Tonight's landmark event is produced by AGC Power Holdings Corp and presented by Modern Media Group, and we we are very, very excited. Thank you guys so much for being here. To all of our artists, the OPM and P-pop industry, maraming salamat po. We are very excited for tonight's event. Once again, my name is Ayana Perlas, your red carpet and pre-show host. And please, everyone, enjoy this very special night of music and love. Maraming salamat po.
Vivo, powering the next era of smartphone photography and technology.
Happy 10th anniversary, Vivo family.
Icons forever curious. Smell free tobacco pleasure. Powered by Sony. Sony all-power sound. Massive bass. Ultimate vibe. KFC, it's finger licking good.
The KFC Choose and Match is here. Kumusta? Kain na. Hello sa The KFC Zing Fully Loaded Box. Katang-handaan, kabusog-busog.
Sunsilk, serve that unstoppable mania, gotta energy, and slay with hashtag Gandang Sunsilk Hair.
With aloe vera, biotin, and castor oil for hair that's 3 times stronger and thicker looking as it grows long. How amazing ang bango! Sunsilk with their best ever fragrance.
Ang bughag ng hair ko.
Sa akin din may bins. Girls, you can let your hair down with Sunsilk.
Playtime, revolutionizing online entertainment.
Playtime. Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Taas doon, ha? Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Ang bilis! Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo.
Tecno, the innovative smartphone. Filipinos to be #conditioned for greaters.
I was the sweet girl inside the frame. I'm not that girl anymore. Now I'm reshaping who I am. And for every transformation, I need hair that pushes me forward. New Cream Silk Repair Booster Treatments. With breakthrough amino-keratin, penetrates deep to boost continuous repair, unlocking up to 48-hour softness and smoothness. This is hair that evolves, no matter who I choose to become. New Cream Silk Repair Booster Treatments.
Special thanks to Jollibee. Our official mobility partner, Toyota. Our official broadcast partner, Quest Ventures and TV5. The Filipino Music Awards would also like to thank our official catering partners, Ilias Group Inc., Aston's Philippines, our official mobile bar partners, Fine Cocktails, Nictophile Mixology and Bar Hosting, Salucci, our official coffee bar partners, On Scene Coffee Bar, The Brewing Studio, Allegra Beverage Corp, our official accommodations partner, Newport World Resorts, our official